Presenting the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, passenger airbag sensor, AC, stability control, and front reading lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.